This cabin is a conversion of an open porch that was only serving as a storage area for bicycles. The building is located in Albino. It's a town based in Seriana Valley at the slopes of the Orobic Mountains. The cabin is 25 square meters. It's 2.5 meters wide and 10 meters long. It's a very narrow space. I'm Francesa Perani. I'm an Italian architect, graphic designer and activist. The cabin is built in between two overlapping modern villas. One has been built in 1950s by Elia Acerbis, architect, and the other one by Armen Manoukian, architect, in 1968. The clients are both of Persian Italian origins with 2 kids. The client lives in the villa next door, while the microhouse has been conceived as a multi-purpose space that can host a studio, a retreat space for the owners, or a guest house for relatives. The porch was completely open to the courtyard. It was a free space featuring a brick colonnade and a stone wall. It was in dialogue with the main access to the property and the monumental staircase that is characterized by concrete molding and perforated metal screen. The cabin has 2 main areas: the living room acting as a kitchen and as a bedroom, and a blue bathroom. The clients also wanted a lot of storage space. The extreme narrowness of the existing building required a full custom design interior, where flexibility and multi-usage became the key factors. The cabin takes inspiration from Persian design, and it's a celebration of color and textures. I used Persian indigo blue, inspired from mosque tiles, for the entrance and the shower room. We used the affordable and recycled materials, such as non-toxic OSB. Sustainable solutions were also privileged where possible, such as the greenery system on the rooftop of the building, reducing solar heat gain and contributing to the thermal benefits of the cabin. A playful metal screen was placed in front of the building, defining a triangular mini garden as a reference to ancient Persian arches and providing sun shading to the cabin. The entrance is divided from the main living room by a layer of perforated metal screen, which function also as a coat hanger. We have a floor-to-ceiling wardrobe, concealing a heating system, a desk, a space for washing machine, and plenty of storage space. The living space is cladded entirely in OSB, which offers a dramatic contrast to the bright blue bathroom. It gives the space a sense of warm comfort. The window frames function as bench seats and have been designed at an angle to facilitate conversation. The blue edge of the frame creates a connection to the blue bathroom. I installed a 7 meters bench that acts as a sitting area, a sleeping area, and creates a storage underneath it. In the evening, the bench can be converted into 2 single beds with mattresses, which are kept in the storage underneath. For the kitchenette, we used printed marble pattern tiles to add texture to the space and echo the pattern of the OSB. Above the floating cabinet, I made a cut into the wall for allowing a little bit more light in. We managed to fit a sink, an area for an electric stove, and a microwave. We also used 1960s recycled handles sourced from a local hardware store and used both in the kitchen and on the wardrobe area. In the bathroom, the shower opens out to the garden through a French door, connecting guests to the exterior and providing ventilation, while the perforated metal screen offers privacy. An existing stone wall adds texture and character to the shower space. Every surface has been finished in glossy blue resin, and the bright white fittings stand out from the dark color, creating a dialogue with the retro handles. When designing a small space, everything needs to be customized and multifunctional, but the ending potential is enormous. My approach always tries to battle against straight lines and minimalist trends in order to offer a more dynamic way of living. My main purpose was to create a space with multiple uses, exploring a different culture on an otherwise unutilized urban space.
Thanks for watching. To receive updates on our latest episodes, please subscribe and click the notification bell. And if you're an architect or designer with a project we could feature, please share it with us at nevertoosmall.com/submissions.